Did you know there's a lost gospel that completely changes how we understand Jesus' most famous miracle? The Gospel of the Hebrews tells a story the early church tried to bury. It describes how Jesus and Lazarus weren't just friends, they were childhood companions who discovered an extraordinary gift together. While other children played normal games, these two boys found they could bring dead birds and small animals back to life in secret caves near Bethany. Their families grew suspicious when dead livestock mysteriously returned to life around their villages. The boys developed coded language for their experiments, and young Lazarus would even stop his own heartbeat while Jesus practiced reviving him. This wasn't just child's play, it was preparation. When Jesus raised adult Lazarus from the dead, it wasn't his first time bringing his friend back to life. The early church fathers knew this account but buried it because it suggested resurrection was a learned spiritual discipline, not just divine power. This story reveals that Jesus' greatest miracle was actually the result of decades of secret practice with his closest friend.